I was out minding my own business when my P90 snapped in half. I better call Wisney.
Hey, I'm Wisney Airsoft. Did you know you have rights? Folks at Red Beret say you do, and so do I. I believe that until you go airsoft shopping, you should check every store, website and retailer before spending cash. That's why I fight for you, airsofters.
Better call Wisney. Wisney Airsoft on phone 48668 CAL.
You want to try it? Okay, here we go. AK74 from Emei Landarms. One of the best replica I ever had in terms of quality and out from the box performance. The fitting on this airsoft replica is something unbelievable and feel almost like a real firearm. Of course ergonomics are non-existing, but Magwell Spacer does the job. Hitting someone in CQB from it is very satisfying, thanks to long barrel. Of course you can also do those fancy reloads, but mind one problem with them. The biggest problem with tactical reload is unless you reload perfectly, you're gonna spill all BBs on ground, like on this clip. O, wspaniale! Okay, time for some flaws. As we see on this photo, we have bad wood compared to Generation 2 or LCT replicas. No wonder it's called Essential line, and also a tiny bit worse internals compared to Generation 2. It's nothing special, but still worth noticing. Also remember that the wood is very soft. It's not going to break in your hands, but if you're gonna get hit by BB, it's gonna leave a mark like in mine. Other than that, some hop-up rubbers are simply not working with this hop-up unit. They just refuse to work for me, I have no idea why. But if we talk about the hop-up unit, let's mention that it's full metal chamber, so the sealing is great and overall durability is, 10 on 10. Many people prefer plastic ones, but I'm more comfortable with full metal systems. As a last flaw, I need to speak about the so-called made in real weapon factory, as some shops states. If there's anything that comes from a real factory, then maybe it's the sight. I think you get my point. Now onto the best parts of that replica. First of all, pre-installed Mosfet. It's not as great as Perun, but it gets the job done. Cables are cool, and as for now I have no problems. Future will tell how this little, and I mean little Mosfet will behave. Drop! Secondly, this replica is completely full metal. There's no snal, there's no aluminium, it's completely full steel from top to bottom. Because it's full steel, you need to take extra care of the body itself, otherwise it will rust, especially when it's raining like on this clip. It's not a big deal scrapping of rust, but better to prevent than to cure. Just dry it off after airsoft. Now I would like to talk about performance. The trigger is really sensitive as for electric gun. 7.4 lipo with a 95 spring generates about 14 BBs per second and 330 FPS on 0.2 BBs with 35 meters effective range. .11.1 lipo can cause overspin on CQB springs, so I wouldn't advise those without better Mosfets like Perun. How do I play with full-sized AK in CQB? I'll give you some of mine and my friends' tips. Either you lay down suppressing fire and push enemy team, which isn't hard because the Emei Landarms magazine fit great.
Tam powinny być haki. Uważaj, w lewo.
Or you can simply wait for them to come for you. Of course, both rules can apply to every replica, but remember that operating with long barrel is painful. Just a note, this playstyle will get you Menace of Society award.
Weźki trójki powinny.
Did I mention it has quick spring change? Here's how you can do it. You will need pliers and a flat screwdriver. First of all, take off cover. Then take off spring with charging handle. Now we're gonna use pliers to take off the selector. Keep all screws together, otherwise they can get lost. They are pretty small. Lastly, take off grip using flat screwdriver. After that, pivot the gearbox and you are ready for a new spring. To assemble it back, just do everything backwards. Time for a short verdict. Overall, it's one of the best AK replica you can get on market. It's way better than Cima for not that more money. I bought mine brand new for about $244. I recommend it for anyone who wants as closest replica as possible to a real firearm and doesn't want to spend money on LCT or used generation 2. If you have any questions, drop a comment, like this video, I will gladly help you out. I hope you enjoyed my review and we see you again in next video about Sword Cutlass from Black Lagoon.
Ja.